Hey kids! Welcome to a super fun drawing adventure. Are you ready to create something amazing? Crayon, grab your pencils, colors, and big smiles because it's time to bring your imagination to life. Drawing is not just about making pretty pictures, it's also a super fun way to learn new skills. Did you know that when you draw, you're improving your focus, sharpening your creativity, and even boosting your brain power? And guess what? It also helps you feel calm and happy. Isn't that awesome? Colors make everything more fun and bring our pictures to life. What's your favorite color? You can use it to make your artwork truly unique. And remember, if you make a little mistake, don't worry at all. Sometimes, those tiny mistakes can turn into something super creative. As you follow along, feel free to add your own ideas to your drawing. Maybe you want to make it extra colorful, or you can create a story around it. The best part about art is that it's all about expressing yourself and having fun. Once you finish your drawing, show it to your friends and family. They'll be amazed at what a fantastic little artist you are. And if you want to get even better at drawing, keep practicing and exploring new ideas. Oh, and don't forget, art is a journey, not a race. Take your time and enjoy every step. You're doing great. Before we wrap up, here's a little challenge for you. Can you think of one more thing to add to your drawing to make it even cooler? Maybe some sparkles, stars, or even a little character. Use your imagination and make it truly your own masterpiece. Thank you for joining me today on this fun drawing adventure. I had so much fun creating this with you, and I hope you did too. If you loved this video, don't forget to like it and share.